Hi, I'm Jenny with Cocoa Daisy, and in this video we're unboxing the limited edition coffee kit and coffee sticker kit from the April 2026 Booked for Spring collection. Hey, I'm so excited to share with you the limited edition coffee kit. Isn't this exciting? The limited edition kit is not a subscription. It is a one-time purchase. So if you wish to receive this, you'll need to purchase it individually from your subscriptions. So now the limited edition kit comes in this craft folder, and it is full of all kinds of really fun products that I cannot wait to share with you. Now the first thing that is included in the limited edition kit is this traveler's notebook cover. So I've got it, this is the outside. Super cute, right? And then on the inside, you can see here that there is a large back flap, and then there is also here, and then the pocket here, and then pockets here as well. So, and then there's also, of course, strings. Let's show you, I'm going to use the Cocoa Daisy notebook. That's actually not the right one. And I'm going to go ahead and slide this in the strings in case you're not familiar with traveler's notebooks. And then as you saw already, there is also an additional string that you can use to put another notebook in here. And then you simply close the notebook, and then fun, right? Now there is also obviously a pen loop as well. So you can just slide your pen right in the elastic pen loop. So because it's elastic, it will hold lots of different widths. This notebook is not included in the kit. I'm just simply pulling out one from the April collection to show you how that works. So we have this traveler's notebook cover. And then we also have some patterned papers. So as you can see, there are 3 different patterned papers, and these are like the papers that are included in our deluxe journaling and planner kits, that they're 13 by 8.5 inches and they're scored in half, and then they are double-sided. These are exclusive patterns that you'll only receive in our limited edition coffee kit. Isn't that so fun with all these wonderful, cheerful colors? And then the third is this really great collage of different coffee, and I'm gonna say tea because there's this one and it says tea on it. And then the back side is just this beautiful, cheerful, colorful plaid. All right, next up is a set of rub-on transfers. And as you can see, there's lots of different coffee images, a couple of the little birds, and then like the little coffee rings and things like that. It's just so much fun. All right, and then there is a whole full sheet of stickers included as well. You can see all these sort of label type stickers. We have the, Roost Coffee, the Bookshop Brew, things like that. They're just really, really fun. Cocoa Daisy Coffee Co. Very, very, I love, this is just such a great vibe. Also included in the kit is one of these craft envelopes with the little string closure. I love this because you can include all kinds of different things in here and then like stamp on the outside or however you choose to do it. We also have 2 of our extra large tags. So the first one is this one with these stacks of coffee cups, and then the second one is this cold brew half calf that has the Cocoa Daisy Coffee Co., Michigan, USA. Really, really cute. All right, now we also have an adorable little bird washi cutter, and it has the little chain on it as well, so you can attach it to whatever you'd like. There is a set of die cut stickers. Let's go ahead and take a look at these. They're so cute. So there's just a wide variety of these. that say lots of different things. I love the lots of pops of black. It definitely provides a lot of really great contrast. So you'll be able to pop that right on a project or, you know, a layout of some sort, and it will be amazing. So you can see lots of different colors included for these tags, some craft ones, some black ones, and then other colors from the collection. So really very pretty neutral, minus the couple of different pops of color that are included. So lots of fun coffee inspired tags. And there is a fun adhesive patch as well. Isn't that great? So all you have to do is peel the back off and stick it to whatever you want. There is a sheet of alphabet stickers in this wonderful coffee inspired brown. Can you see the font there? Hopefully you can. Now we also have the cutest little notepad. So if you take a look, I'm going to flip through you so you can see there's lots of different little guest check. Isn't that great? I'm so excited about this because with the 3 different little designs in here, it's going to be amazing for adding to so many projects. I absolutely love this so much. All right, and then we also have just the cutest little charm. So you can add this to the elastic on the outside of the traveler's notebook. I'm going to hold it up and then I'll set it down in case it's too wobbly. So all you have to do is this outside elastic, once you've closed your traveler's notebook, just attach the little lobster clasp and you have the cutest little dangle. So there's like a little espresso machine and it says coffee time, and then the other one is a coffee bean. So, so cute. Now we also have a fantastic stamp set that was designed by Geraldine at In a Creative Bubble. And as you can see, there's coffee, pots and cups, and then different coffee phrases as well that are going to be just absolutely a joy to include in our projects. And then last but not least, there is a roll of standard width washi tape. This is a vertical washi tape, and it has stacks of cups in a rainbow configuration. Hopefully you can get a good look at that. I know it's a little bit difficult to see. Hopefully there, you got that. Just all those fun colors of cups all stacked up. So you will be able to purchase this kit, this limited edition coffee kit, just as I unboxed this here for you. And you will receive everything that I just showed you. Or you can purchase this coffee kit with the sticker kit as a bundle, and I'll show you the sticker kit as well. So the sticker kit is these adorable sheets of coffee themed stickers. So first is this really adorable sheet. Do you see that? It's got the couple birds, or maybe just one little bird. At the bottom, there's some coffee phrases, and then you have different pots and cups, things like that. A similar sheet with the little crabby one in the coffee cup, which seems really like pretty relevant, right? Like, before you've had your coffee, you're a little bit grumpy. We also have a sheet of alphabet stickers, which is of course a lovely brown. And then last but not least is a sheet of vellum stickers that is on that slightly thinner vellum sheet. So you can purchase a bundle that includes the kit that I unboxed for you, and then also this sticker kit of 4 sheets. Or you can purchase just the kit right there with no stickers. So as I stated at the beginning, this is not a subscription. This is just a one-time purchase for this limited edition coffee kit.